Hi queens. We woke up and now we're going, this is my queen. Hi. Now we're going to eat some breakfast. Anyways guys, yesterday and today in the morning, I squeezed all my pimples and now I look like a mess. But anyways, we don't care. Guys, take a look. This is our breakfast. I ordered some pancake and a muesli.
Wieso machst du immer Bilder schon, wenn sie noch redet?
Aus dem richtigen Leben. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Einmal lächeln. Guck mal, was für Tolle.
Now we're gonna take a look at the capital city. Hi guys, right now we're at a prison. Wo steht das? Ah. Look how crazy. This was a prison, only one bed. Guys, look, this is it.
Du kennst die Flagge.
Oh my god.
Nordkorea.
Meinst du gerade ernst?
Ja, klar ist Nordkorea.
Guys, look. This is so big. Cannot believe it. Let me take a picture. Guys, it's so hot, it's not even normal. I think today is the hottest day it has ever been since we came to Cambodia. Right?
I'm dripping.
It's literally so big. Like, I think it's made out of gold. And guys, it's so hot, but it's so pretty. Irgendwie, I like the city. It's not even, also es ist City, aber es ist nicht so City. Ich mache mal mein Mikro an. Ich habe voll gemerkt, in manchen Videos, also vor allem in den letzten Videos, habe ich gar kein Mikro benutzt. And the difference is so krass. Weil man hört die ganzen Geräusche hin, man hört mich gar nicht so. Is this the Royal Palace?
Yes.
Damn. We're at the Royal Palace right now. Explain this. Wie heißt Fluss? Ist es ein Fluss oder ist es ein See?
Two rivers.
It's a
The
river.
first one is Tonle Sap River.
Wait,
From
you have to.
What?
Okay.
Like an interview. Huh? So the first river is Tonle Sap River, coming from the Tonle Sap Lake.
Yeah.
And on the other side is the Mekong River
Yeah.
that comes from Vietnam to
Damn.
Cambodia.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Wow. What do you have to say? Wow. Guys, wait. This looks crazy. Is this real gold? Nee, ne? Das ist nicht mal Gold. Oh. Is this the queen?
That's the mother of the king.
The mother of the king. Okay. Guys, this is crazy. We're crossing the road. Let's go. Thank you. Auf Wiedersehen. Now we're on the riverside, as you can see. Ah, doch, man sieht es. There's like a split.
Yeah.
Cool. As my father already said. There is the one river and there's the other one. And as you can, as you can tell, there's like a different color. This one is browner and this one is like blue. That's crazy, ne? Es sieht voll krass aus. My queen looks beautiful. Du siehst gar nicht so betroffen aus vom the heat. You look normal.
But I am. That's why I'm so quiet, because I'm keeping my energy inside.
Guys, let's go.
Okay, alright.
Let's go. Thank you. Oh, cool. Oh. Was machen die? Die sagen, ja. Es kostet Geld wahrscheinlich, ne? Like, whoa. The colors are giving. Guys, right now we're at the Central Market. Take a look. And by the way, if you see me like this, don't mind me sweating. It's not my fault, it's the weather's fault. Guys, look. Outside it's freaking hot. And here is like, I don't know what this is. Oh, die sind zu kitschig. Okay. Queens. Da dreht sich richtig rum. Look at all of these fruits. So yummy. This is literally heaven. This smells so fishy in here. Guys, you won't believe what I found. An aspen. For you.
Quatsch. Moment.
For you? She's a cutie. She looks amazing. She looks like a cutie pie. We're looking for glasses.
Okay,
Zieh mal die clear one an. Ich habe dich noch nie mit clear glasses gesehen. Aber ich glaube, braun steht dir mehr. Ja. Aber ich glaube, du bist mehr so eine brown girly. Nee. Guck mal, wie gut ihr diese Brille steht.
Sag mal.
Die sieht richtig gut aus. Guck mal, wie schön. Sie sieht voll süß aus, ne?
Ist aber ein bisschen größer.
Ja.
Ja, ist groß.
Aber
Aber
sie sieht
von
aus.
der Farbe finde ich es perfekt mit
Sehr
meinen
schön,
Haaren.
Ja.
das stimmt. Wollen wir
Ich
noch
find,
fragen,
sie
ob ein
sieht-
bisschen kleiner gibt?
Okay, guys, we got the perfect glasses. Put them on one last time. She looks so cute. Ich kann's nicht glauben.
Letzter Blick, Girl. Wir müssen uns sicher sein.
Okay. So tell me what you would rather for me.
Hi.
Ich finde irgendwie, das steht dir. Es ist halt was anderes.
Zeig mal.
Warte,
Das Video.
Warte,
Zeig
warte.
doch.
Man muss dann nochmal sehen. Hi guys, right now we're in the airport and I think we're gonna board soon. Let me see. Hi guys, my sister is sleeping right now, my dad as well. Right now, I'm still editing the video. Good night, cutie pie.
Möchten Sie etwas sagen?
Ja, ich hole mal meinen Mic raus. Jetzt?
Ist das dein Text, den du sprechen musst?
Hi,
Nein.
Queens. Halt, ich bin voll distracted wegen Musik. Hi, Queens. We just landed and now we're in Bangkok. Now we're in Bangkok.
Yes.
And I'm low-key a little bit hungry.
Only a little bit?
I'm hungry.
You are hungry?
Yes.
Okay, I'm also hungry.
I'm a little bit hungry.
Went away now.
But the problem is, we
Long,
have to
long
go.
way
Yes, we have to go to another airport, pick up our bags, and it's gonna take like 1 hour or more. And yeah,
Yeah. See you.
see you.
there.
Now we have to go. Hi Queens! I look like a mess, but we arrived at the airport, as you can see. We have the luggage in my bag here. Guys, this is our hotel for our last night. It looks amazing, this toilet. The whole hotel looks like so high class. I cannot believe it. Here, the closet. This is the bed, a TV, and like this cute place here.